Hey people, 74%, 8:20 p.m. This is the November, is this November 1st update? I don't know, it's November 18th. I just got this thing yesterday. So let's see how long it takes. I have no idea what it is, but that's okay. I post this every month so that I can put 1,000 ads on here, and if people click on it, it will help me out. This thing says it will take 10 minutes. The last one took about 10 seconds to update, and about 10 minutes to finish the whole install. So let's click on install now. Is it going to restart already? Restarting. That took about 10 seconds. This time I shut off my computer monitor so I did not have any reflection in the video. Looks like there's a lot of dirt and scratches. I should have cleaned my screen again. I did not do that. Sorry, shame on me. We're starting up again. I'm looking for a cloth. Here's a cloth. Is this going to help? It's a special cloth for glasses, so it's a non-scratch cloth. No, is that damage? No, that's just a little bit of dirt over there. Let's go wipe some of this stuff on here. Little spray, clean this up a little bit. Did that help? Okay, so you got to watch me clean my screen. No, is that damage or is that dirt? No, that's dirt. Okay, so we are at 8:22. I really should use this cleaner on my camera at the same time. It's a little bit dirty, my little display. Make sure you do a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like, a share, leave a comment. I say all that cool stuff on all my videos. Nobody does it. Click on my affiliate links in the video description. Nobody does that either, but it does help me out. And if you want to donate to, oh, look how dirty that screen is. And if you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. So we're at 30. I guess the screen has seen a little bit of damage. I thought these screens weren't supposed to show damage. Look at all that dirt and pitting, and there's a chip over here. Shame on you, Samsung. Yeah, this is really bad. I think the phone's about a year or two old. I love this phone. I used to have a BlackBerry, Preve, BlackBerry Bold 9900. I posted tons of videos, used to do updates. Oh yes, I'm just buffing away. Used to do updates for that phone like I'm doing for the Samsung 10 Plus. A lot of people used to write to me that own the phone, and my final update was, my final video was I showed how to put in an update that upgraded the phone to the very last update you could possibly do. And a lot of people did not know how to get around a problem that BlackBerry put in there, so I showed them how to do it. And so people said, thank you, you've saved my phone and my life. No donations, of course. Mostly from out of the country, because that's where they still have the BlackBerry phone that is obsolete by many years. So I bought the Samsung 10 Plus. My mom bought it for me. We went down to Costco and got a really good deal on it. And I ended up getting on her plan, so I'm on her plan getting a massive discount. A massive discount. Massive. And so I do my little videos every month now to entertain everybody, to talk to people, to talk to the world. Hello, world. United States just hit 250,000 today, and we are living in a nightmare because of the pandemic and the psychotic man that is still in the office. And whoa, why did that go out of focus? I said psychotic man, and look what happened. The camera flipped out, said, yes, you were right. So, and it's absolutely shocking that people who claim to care about this country and the world voted for him. Just shocking. I don't care what your religious values are or what you think. To re-elect a man of danger like that. Unbelievable. And I know comments like this, people unsubscribe, people get angry. I don't really care. That's okay. We're a divided country, and I don't really need your approval, just like you don't need mine. So we're 25 minutes, so we're 5 minutes into this, maybe 6 minutes in. The screen's really dirty. But that doesn't matter. It's still a good phone. 4 minutes and 58 seconds in. And we've got the shutdown again in LA and California. We're probably going to have a massive shutdown coming out next week. There is no toilet paper on the shelves anymore in a lot of places. That's okay. When everything calmed down. Well, in fact, before everything got wild, I went to the store and I bought 5 years worth of toilet paper because I knew we were going to do a shutdown within about a week or two. And I bought the toilet paper, and 2 days later they did the shutdown. So I have more toilet paper than I know what to do with. And I bought it before people were panic buying because I knew where we were going. So I don't have to buy. I probably have 2 gallons of hand sanitizer. I've got my N95 masks, real N95 masks, and I'm prepared. So it's going to be a crazy holiday that we're going to be dealing with. Hopefully you're going to stay home, avoid some family, and make it through the holiday so we don't have lots of people not here on Earth for the Christmas break, the Hanukkah break. Hello. We are, how far along are we? We're 6 minutes and 7 seconds into this nightmare. And then we have the module update. BlackBerry used to do the module update, which was just, took forever. This thing, I believe, when I first bought it, had about 100 in the module. Now I think it's about 140. Optimizing. They call it optimizing. BlackBerry used to call optimizing modules. So far the dog is quiet. My crazy neighbor has not walked by trying to irritate me, which he does every night to irritate me. I love this little video. I love these wheels. I'm going to zoom in on these wheels because I want to make a video strictly of these wheels. So look at these wheels. These wheels are the deals. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to post a video of the wheels only. It's beautiful. That will make a great video. I'm going to try to make that like a half-an-hour video of the wheels spinning. Of course, I'm going to cut out my voice so all you see is wheels. Wheels are the deals. I didn't set up my tripod. I bought a tripod. I wanted to get a tripod that would overhang. Overhead tripod, horizontal tripod, and it didn't work the way I wanted to. And I could buy a tripod horizontal arm and then spend a lot of money, or I can try to make one myself. Not sure what I want to do. What I want to do now is post this video. I'm shooting this in 4K instead of 720, so it's going to take me 13 minutes to render this and 4 hours to upload it. Well, probably about an hour, 20 minutes an hour, 40, maybe half an hour to upload it, and 12 hours to render. Not render, 12 hours for YouTube to process. Takes forever. Why am I shooting this in 4K? Because I can. So we're almost done. It's never done until it's done. I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving, a happy Turkey Day. Stay away from turkey. It's not good for you. Stay away from stuffing. It's loaded with lots of calories. Stay away from the gravy. It's not good for you. Everybody overeats during Thanksgiving holiday, and then they sit there, oh my God. It's because there's so much fat and so much stuff they put in their stomach that they get sick. I used to do that, and then I finally stopped overeating, and it was wonderful. And then I just stopped eating all of that. Okay, so we're rebooting after we did the 100%. 829. Now I've learned you have to press the screen. Okay, so we're good, but we're not done. We're never done until it's done, because what ends up happening is it's still processing. Let me see if we can see the processing still going on. Finishing the system. See, so it's finishing the system thing, and then then some. After this is finished, it goes away, and then the screen comes up with finished update, and then you check it out and it shows the update. So we are now 10 minutes into this. Are we 10 minutes? Did I shut off the thing? We're 9 minutes and 40 seconds. There we go. Oh, look how fast that went. It's done. It is done. But it's not done until it's done, because we need the message to come up saying that it was installed. And if I would go and click the wagon wheel, the asterisk over there, and go down to About, we would see the system update is still going on. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to click on A Boot. If you're in Canada, this is the A Boot. There we go. Had to cut some stuff out. Android, this shows November 1st. But we're not done yet, because I don't know if this, well, we're in November, so yeah, this is the November 1st thing. But we should get a message on the screen that says it has been installed. And I don't see that yet. And until I see that, I've had to shut off the camera, so now we're probably about 31 minutes into this, 32 minutes. My neck is killing me. Muscles are so tight. Doing a little bit of workout with the dumbbells. Tightens my neck muscles, messes up the back of my head. Tightens everything up. Not good. Not good. So, I don't know where that message is saying we are done. Did it show up yet? We're getting there. Update successful. It's beautiful. So there it is, people. Let me try to zoom in. We'll get that Android security patch level. Let's try to get that nice and even. We are over the 10-minute limit, so I can put on like 1,000 ads. Make sure you help me out. Stay safe. Have a good holiday. I'll see you next month, right before New Year's, when I do this again, because I really have no life. Thank you for watching. There it is. You are all set. Remember to use that apostrophe. Oh, you are all set. Remember to use that apostrophe. Your phone has been updated. See you, people. Oh, that's right. It was at 74% before. I almost forgot. 4% battery power and about 12 minutes, 13 minutes.